Hello, this is Ben with Old Geezer's Garage, and today I'm going to make what I call a cheesy unboxing video. Got a new toy the other day. I picked this up September 13th, and I'm finally getting around to it. Been a little busy, so let's see what we got. We got a little pull tab here at the bottom. Okay, set that aside. Let's take a look. Okay. Now, silly literature that nobody reads. More silly literature. Maybe I'll take a look at it later. Something here about the app. This thing must be updated before you can use it. That's nice, but well, that's the way it goes. So, all right, let's see what kind of. Okay, so there's their little light that they give you for this thing. I'll set that right there. What we got here? Okay, I bet this is the battery. Yep. Okay. This is my first GoPro, so I don't really know a whole lot about it. So here we go. Let's see. Here's the. I don't understand the name, but the Volta. Aha. There we go. The Volta. What a weird name for a tripod with a remote control. But we got some little control buttons right here. So I read mixed reviews about this, but most people thought it was a good thing to have, so I figured I'd give it a shot since this is my first GoPro. I just wanted to grab this one here and see how I like it. And I will let you know how I like it eventually. I'll give you this little, okay, I remember the media mod. Okay. Nice and sturdy. It is plastic, of course, but seems sturdy. Okay. And last but not least, if I can get it out of here somehow. There we go. The heart of the matter. Nice little case they give you too. Wonder what's under here. Aha. Okay. So we got a few more little accessories under here. That's nice. Okay. Let's see what we got. They really make sure it's going to stick to the lens, don't they? Not the lens, I should say the screen. Okay. All right, I'm going to uncover the lens and there it is. We have one on the back too. There we go. It's got a little writing on it, so I better take a look at that sometime. So here we go. Looks pretty much the same as all the others. I did notice they put the little 12 on the side. Big deal, right? I really do like this. I did read about this new quarter 20 mount. That is a very good idea. I've been using quarter 20 mount for my cell phone for a long time, and I think that will be very handy. So put that right there. Take a quick look and see what other kind of stuff they give you. I shouldn't say give, should I? Very expensive stuff. Okay, here we go. A couple of little mounts that go with it, and we'll figure out what that is. Get all this trash out of the way. Of course, get a couple little screws there. couple of media cords of some sort, probably one is for charging, one is for downloading, I guess. I don't know. I will find out all that later. Also, this little thing here, whatever that is. Once again, I'm new to GoPro, so I don't know what any of this stuff is yet, but I will figure it out. So it's going to be a learning process for me, I admit it. And yeah, it'd be good. And we got something here. Let's see exactly what that is. If I can manage to get it out of here. Okay. I know most of you guys know what these things are. I'm looking at it, I still don't even know what it is, but obviously something slips into it. So there we go. All the little goodies that go with the new GoPro 12 Creator Edition. And I will definitely be, I see, there we go. Yeah, okay, gotcha. I'm just talking to myself, sorry about that. Like I said, I'm sure most of you looking at this, probably all of you, know a lot more about this than I do, and that's cool. Any suggestions or comments, anything at all, questions, I'll be glad to check it out, and I'm looking forward to learning about my new GoPro. So once again, this is the GoPro Hero 12 Black, whatever, edition, Creator Edition, I should say, and it's going to be fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good day.